One time there was
A little boy called Pedro Pedro, and he found a magic bean.
oh yes. Now Pedro planted that bean and it grew into an enormous beanstalk that went high into the sky.
That's right.
Pedro climbed to the top of that beanstalk and found a
Horrible big giant. But I don't want that. I want a princess.
oh yes.